Okay, we're starting Hasbar 7:4. We're still in Kedushin. Daf Lamed Amud Bet, Perek Rishon, called the Isha Niknes. 7 lines down on the wide lines with Tana Rabbanan, our rabbis teach us. Ne'emar, it says in the Torah, Kabed et avicha ve'et imecha. One should honor their mother and father. V'ne'emar, it also says in the Torah, Kabed es Hashem mehonecha. One should honor God with their money. The Gemara says, Hishave hakosav kavod of the aim lekavod hamakom. The Torah compares, Hashava compares the honor one gives to the parents to the honor one gives to Hashem. The word hamakom is referred to Hashem, just like when you give a bracha and you say hamakim inachem eschem besach sharvei litzim shalayim. When you go to an Ovel's house, the word makom is referred to Hashem. Nemar, it also says in the Torah, Ish imo va'aviv tira'u. One, father and mother, shall you fear. The Nemar, et Hashem alakecha tira va'oso ta'aved. And the Torah also tells us, Hashem your God, you shall fear and you shall serve. Again, Hishava HaKosiv, Miyirat Ave'im, the Torah compares the Yirat, the fear, the reverence one should have for their mother and father, Limorat Hamakom, to the fear that they have for Hashem. Now these are both mitzvot. There's a mitzvah to fear one's parents, but there's also a mitzvah to fear one's God. Nemar, the pasuk says, Mikalel aviv v'imo mos yumas, someone who curses their parents using one of the 7 names of God will surely be put to death. Mikalel, one who curses aviv v'imo, his mother or father, mos yumas, will surely be put to death. Again, that is using one of a specific of 7 names that you curse your parents, God forbid, using God's name. V'nemar, and the pasuk also says, Ish ko yikalel elakav, that every person who will curse God, nosei chato, will bear his sin. Hishava hakosaf birchas aveim, the Torah compares the blessing of a father and mother. It uses the word blessing, but it's a euphemism. It really means it compares the cursing that one does towards their mother and father, libirkas hamako, to the blessing, again, the euphemism of the cursing to Hashem. The Torah compares now the cursing that one does to his parents to the cursing that one would do, God forbid, to Hashem. Av bahaka, when it comes to hitting, in the category of hitting, Vadai, it is clear, it is sure, efshar. It's impossible. One can't compare hitting his parents to hitting Hashem, because Hashem is not a physical thing you can hit. V'chein badin, and this is correct, this is true, sheshloshtan shutfin bo, that there are 3 partners in creation of a person. Hashem, one's mother, and one's father. So we see that there's a real relationship and a comparison between when we honor and fear our parents, and God forbid curse our parents, to that of Hashem. Please do your Hasbar, and please make sure you complete the summary correctly.